here with Jason at Bluecrest. Hi Jason, how are you?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Good, man. You mentioned that this is your first CeMAT. Tell us what your experience has been so far.
It's actually been really good. I attended last year in Melbourne, and we had a look around just to see if it was the right place for us to be. And we saw a lot of natural industry partners here. But our very first experience has been good because it's really woken us up to threads that we hadn't anticipated. There's adjacent markets here that we hadn't even thought of until we came to CeMAT. So for that, it's been really good. But it's also been really good just to get our Bluecrest brand out there.
Well, tell us about Bluecrest, Jason. It looks really interesting stuff.
Yeah, so our head office, we're based in the US. We're actually an offshoot from a company called Pitney Bowes. Our division was carved out about 5 years ago. We became Bluecrest. We're owned by a private equity firm. And our core products are mail insertion and print. Mm-hmm. We manufacture, sell and service these products. We've just started in the e-commerce space.
Yep.
We've got quite a big presence in the US, but we're just really starting in the ANZ market. So that was our big purpose for being here, is to start just getting that brand awareness out there. So we've come with our one sort. It's a great single sort system. It labels machines and it recognises OCR, and it also links up with Australia Post and Smart Track. So it's garnered quite a bit of interest here. And there's a lot of markets, it's like I was saying, there's a lot of markets that we didn't even think were available to us. And it's been made very obvious that there's definitely a need for it here.
Yeah, I think you're right, Jason. There's been a huge appetite increase in e-commerce and fulfilment right across ANZ region.
For sure, like we're seeing it all the time, I only have to look at my own buying habits. It's, that bricks and mortar stuff is not really, I tend to, be more online purchasing, and that's what a lot of people are doing. That's what's really driving the e-commerce business, and it's no different for us. So for us, it's really about getting our brand out there, just showing our customer base that we've expanded, looking at new customers, and seeing where we are in 5 years' time. But this has really been a great platform for doing that, and we'll definitely be back next year.
Wonderful. I was just going to ask that question. So you're happy with CeMAT? We'll see you next year.
Yeah, sure. It's been super easy. It's been really well organised. I was a bit worried about getting everything in here and knowing where we were, but it was all really, it was pretty clearly mapped out. And all the interactions beforehand, all the emails, have you registered, it was all there. So really happy with it, and we'll definitely be back.
Well, great to meet you. Congratulations on the great stand, and we'll see you hopefully next year.
Thank you very much.
Thanks,
Lawrence.
Cheers.
Thank you.